Hello. So I have just gotten my traveler's notebook, the 20th anniversary card edition, and I decided to do some unboxing so that I can have the experience of unboxing it with you guys. So first of all, I don't usually get anniversary editions, but since this is a card edition and there's a potential of the size notebook to be continued by traveler's notebook, so I just decided to get it. So I got the color brown. This is the card size set. I love that they have done this gold foil. All right, so let's open it. Nothing in the box, so let's open up. Oops. Wow, I did not expect it to be this small though. I mean, I know it's small, but this is like really small. This is my palm, and I guess, I don't know, maybe I have big hands, so as you can see, it's really small. Wow. So these are the notebooks. So I got two brown and two, what do I say, maybe gray. So the gray one has white paper and the brown one has cream paper. So these are the content in the Traveler's Notebook card size 20th anniversary set. There are in total 8 items. All right. And this is the, what do I call this? Cotton zipper case. So I love this because it came with this pocket zipper case, because I always use my planners as my wallet as well, and this has a space for me to put in the coins, and here I can slot in my credit cards. So that's a plus point to have this. And this is the craft, what do you call this, craft paper holder. Okay, don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I know I'll figure it out. So these are the, what's this, connecting rubber band. So they gave 2 pieces. This is in brown. All right, so this is the notebook itself. So they gave an orange band. I love this orange color, by the way, and this is an extra band if I want to. I can smell the leather. Actually, the leather smells really good. Wow, look at this. My goodness, I did not expect it to be this small. This is awesome. The experience of watching others doing the unboxing and unboxing it myself and have it in my hand, I did not expect it to be like this small. People have said it's small, but this is wow. And I'm glad I bought this. I'm really glad. So anyway, so in total I have 5 books. So this is the 20th card edition, and this is my passport size. Look at that. It's like really small. This is perfect just to put in my pocket. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna have 1 book inside. Oh, they have a bookmark in here. Of course they do, all the time. Okay, except that, oh, it's tucked in here. All right, this is cool. Okay, so I am going to put in the cotton pocket. So I'm going to take this off first, and I'm going to put this way maybe. Yeah, okay. Now this is inside, and then after that I'm going to put in the craft folder. All right, and then this book is going to go in. Okay, I am going to just put 1 book because I am planning to replace my focus notebook. So I only use 1 book at a time. So right now I have 2 books in here because I still have some of the things that I need to process in here. So I like to take a look at the back, the first folder. So that's why I have 2 books in here. But since I don't need to have that, so I am just going to put in 1 notebook in here first and close it. Whoa, look at that. How tiny is that? Anyway, so what else am I going to add? So I love this orange band, so maybe I will change the orange band. But now let's see what pen can I fit. Okay, I have seen somebody using it this way. I think Patrick actually said that I could slot in a pen in here, Lilliput pen, but I don't think I have one. So my battery earlier died, so I didn't even realize that. But here it is. My card edition traveler's notebook has already been set up. So I have changed the rubber band to the orange instead of the brown. I feel like this is much better looking because I like some bright colors on my planners. So far, this is the setup that I've made. I have included this cotton zipper case and then the craft paper folder. I've also put in some money, and then I only put in one book. And at the back here, I have put in all my credit cards, my license. So in here, there is about 6 cards in the first compartment and 3 cards at the back. So you can fit in a lot of cards in here. I really love this for it because now I don't have to bring a separate wallet for that. So previously I was using my focus notebook. I was putting all the cards in here in this credit card case at the back and the front here, and also another 2 would have gone into this pocket instead. So I do love this setup, but as you can see, this is kind of wide, but this is so small that it's just, you can just carry it in your hand compared to this. So whenever I make a payment, I reach for the credit card that I put in my focus notebook, which is this one. I do have some cards in my daily planner as well, but it is something that I use for other purchases, which is very, very seldom. So that's why I don't put in those credit cards in the focus notebook. In this pocket notebook, I only have the cards that I use regularly. So, and I'm so glad that it fits all of it. Okay, and also this zipped compartment is for coins. Yep, I still live in a place where we do use coins, so this is perfect to put in my coins in there. And you see, it just fits so well. And then I can just put in the rubber band, and it is still small enough to be carried. Okay, when I was carrying this, I did not have any coin place. Well, I could put in here, but this thing is just so unreliable. It does open on its own and the coins will fall. So I used to carry a separate coin purse. Can you see the amount of coins I have in there? So instead of carrying this and this, now I get to carry this tiny thing. So the only drawback in here is that I need space to put pen, because here I have the Love and Trip pen holder, and I can bring this uni pen. I love this pen, by the way. But for this, because of its small size, I need to bring a small pen. So it could be this one. This is Kaweco Spot. Or this one. This is the Pilot Prera fountain pen as well. So the only way of me to bring it is like this or like this. But I did see Patrick using it this way, where he put in the pen in here, but I think he was using Lilliput, but I don't have the pen. Alternatively, what I could do is I could slide in the pen clip here and then close it and put in my rubber band around it. So this is one way of carrying it, or I could just slip in normally, just like this. So there are 2 ways to carry it, so it's up to you. For me, maybe this is not bad. So as I use it, then I will know whether or not I like carrying it this way. So but it's still small to carry it around. It just fits so good in your hand. Okay, another reason why I love this is because it is so tiny. I can put it into my gym pants. So this is my pants, which I always wear when I go for walking, and it has really tiny pocket. So I can just put it in here if I want to, because whenever I have my breakfast, I do carry this along. So now it fits perfectly inside. Okay, but when I was carrying this passport size, it's kind of big, right? Okay, so if I want to put it in, it still fits, okay, because I took some of the stuff from it. So now it fits, but it's kind of heavy and it tends to bring my pants down. So compared to this, I think I will prefer this because it just, ta-da, fits in perfectly. So now this is my normal bag, like a small bag that I always carry with me. Okay, now it's empty, but when I put this in here, it doesn't take up much space. All right, and this goes in easily inside. Whereas this, it's a much larger profile, but I think I like this as a small wallet. And then whenever you want to reach it, you can just take it out, use for anything, and then put it back inside. So this is another bag, and this is definitely a bigger bag than this one. This is a small one, but I have Orbit Keys bag organizer, so I always carry this in the front pocket. They have another pocket in the front, so I can put it in here if I want to, to make it more organized. What I end up doing when I carry this is I always just put it in the main pocket in the middle. Don't know where you can see this. Yep, let me put it this way. There you go. It's right here. Okay, but now it's in a smaller pocket. I could put that there if I want to, and I can just grab it easily. So this is my Coach bag. This is a very small bag. I always carry this when I'm going for dinner, to a function. Since I always carry this with me, okay, and as you can see, this will not fit because I need to put in my phone. That's my phone. There you go. I need to put in my phone. So, well, it can fit, but then I am pushing it because I have to like really stuff everything inside. Okay, but right now with this, because it is much smaller, now I can put it in vertically, and I can put in my phone right here. There you go. Or I can also put my phone in the front and then close it. Or I also still have a space at the back. So yeah, so this card size is definitely useful because of its smaller size. So that's it. My Traveler's Notebook Card 20th Anniversary Card Edition unboxing and setup. Hope you enjoy it, and let me know, did you get this? And if you did, what color did you get? Bye!